Okay. With that, we start with the muscles of the larynx. Okay. I will be drawing a separate diagram for each muscle, and all of you will be doing that. No textbook has separate diagrams. I am drawing separate diagrams explaining action of each and every. There are total 9 muscles. Okay? And then I am going to make you demonstrate it also. Follow. So draw a separate diagram. Let's start. Muscle number 1. View is posterior view. View is posterior. And so what is this? Cricoid. What is this? Arachnoid. What is this process? Laterally, posterior view है ना, muscular process. So this first muscle what we are going to study is posterior cricoarytenoid. Posterior cricoarytenoid. So now look here, we are at the posterior view. Vocal process you cannot see, which is anterior. This is muscular process. Posterior cricoarytenoid is attached here. So when it contracts, now anterior view, posterior cricoarytenoid is attached here behind. So what it is doing, it is pulling my muscular process behind. So what is happening is this arachnoid goes like this. This arachnoid goes like this. So in short, what is happening is abduction of vocal cord. What is happening? Abduction of vocal cord. So posterior cricoarytenoid, what is action? Abduction of vocal cord. Muscle number 2. Transverse arytenoid. Transverse arytenoid. What is this? Cricoid lamina. What is this? Arytenoid. What process is this? Muscular. Transverse arytenoid is like this. Transverse arytenoid. आपके दो दोस्तों के बीच में जब झगड़ा होता है तो जो झगड़ा मिटाने वाला दोस्त है आता है, क्या करते हैं? दोनों को पकड़ता है बीच, हाँ, दोनों को बीच में पकड़ते हैं पास में। दैट इज, या किसी लड़का लड़की के बीच में झगड़ा हो जाता है, कपल के बीच में झगड़ा हो जाता है, तो वो आ जाता है बीच में, दोनों को ऐसे पकड़ के ऐसे करके वो निकल जाता है। शायद उसके मन में कुछ और है, मन में, और बेचारा सिंगल रह जाता है। ट्रांसवर्स एरिथमाइड इज द सिंगल मसल, उसका पैर है ही नहीं कोई। देयर आर 2 पोस्टीरियर क्रिकोएरिटनॉइड, देयर आर 2 बाइसेप्स, बट अपने बॉडी में एक सिंगल है। तो अपने आप को जो सिंगल समझते हैं, डोंट वरी, इतने बॉडी के अंदर भी एक मसल है। तो उसका नाम क्या है? बीच में ही है ना, तो उसका पैर कहीं है, सिंगल ही मरता है। उसका एक्शन क्या है? अडक्शन ऑफ वोकल कॉर्ड्स। अडक्शन ऑफ वोकल कॉर्ड्स। फटाफट ड्रॉ करने का डायग्राम, फटाफट। मसल नंबर 3, oblique arytenoids. Oblique arytenoids. It is from muscular process of one to apex of other. Muscular process of one to apex of other. Like transverse only. This also brings the two arytenoids closer to each other. So action of oblique arytenoids is adduction. Action of oblique arytenoid is clear. Just For your information, these oblique arachnoids continue upwards as airy epiglotticus, which lies in the airy epiglottic fold. We'll discuss it afterwards, but just remember this as of now. Muscle number 4. Muscle number 4, lateral cricoarachnoid. Lateral cricoarachnoid. What was the action of muscle number 1? Abduction. 2, adduction. 3, 4 also adduction. You are at a side view of cricoid. This is side view of cricoid. Thyroid, I have taken away. Thyroid. You are looking at cricoid. This is arachnoid on the top, and this is its muscular process. And what is this process? This process is vocal process. This is muscular process. मुझे ऐसे 3 dimension नहीं आ रहा निकालने को. And attached here like this is a muscle called as lateral cricoarachnoid. Lateral cricoarachnoid. See, I will show you. This is vocal process. This is muscular. Lateral cricoarachnoid is attached here from cricoid to here. So when posterior cricoarachnoid does like this, lateral cricoarachnoid after that contracts and causes adduction. So if a muscle is attached anteriorly to my muscular process, it will cause adduction. Anybody who has not understood this, I can raise your hand. Lateral cricoarachnoid causing adduction. Okay? To the just understand all the actions, you and that girl. Now move on to the muscle number 5. Cricothyroid. We are only discussing the intrinsic muscles. Extrinsic muscles, time permits, I will discuss. We are discussing intrinsic muscles. These 9 are intrinsic muscles over there. Cricothyroid, this is thyroid. This is cricoid. This is the joint. Muscle is like this. Cricothyroid. When it contracts, pulls this cricoid up. So this side will go down, right? Cricoid का anterior end अगर मैंने ऊपर उठाया तो ये posterior end पीछे जाएगी. Correct? And on the top of the cricoid is arachnoid. This is vocal cord. So what happens is vocal cord gets tense. Vocal cord was like this, and now cricoid is gone behind. Arachnoid. So action of cricothyroid is tenses the vocal cord. Tenses the vocal cord. Tenses the vocal cord. Cricothyroid, only muscle which tenses the vocal cord. Posterior cricoarachnoid, only muscle which is abducted. Okay, so sometimes they show it like this in our body. With 2 hands you can crisscross it like this. This is vocal process, this is muscular process. So action of posterior cricoarachnoid, correct? Action of transverse arachnoid, action of oblique arachnoid, action of lateral cricoarachnoid, action of cricothyroid. Tenses you. This is responsible for pitch of the voice. Pitch, high pitch जो हमारे पास नहीं होता है, जो सिंगर्स के पास होता है, जो सुबह उठ के रियाज करते हैं, वो तो बनता है। और हमको तो ये गाने को सिंपल बुलाते हम लोग चालू, पहले तो हमारा रहता नाटक नहीं मजा करते नहीं, फिर भी गाओ फिर हम लोग चालू करते। म्हणत होतो ना रस्सा खराब नाही, that you cannot go into high pitch. because no रियाज, no practice, no music class. Okay. ऐसे ही you wanted to become singer without joining a music class. ऐसे कुछ तो करके you are singing. What was आशिकी 2 का सिंगर का नाम क्या था? हाँ? अरिजीत सिंह मूवी में वो लड़की का श्रद्धा कपूर का नाम क्या है? रोही। No pitch, so this muscle. So during operations of thyroid, अगर उसे thyroid gland, there is a nerve, there is an artery to be ligated, superior thyroid artery, which runs very close to external laryngeal nerve, which supplies this. So thyroid surgery, if they don't know the anatomy properly and they ligate the external laryngeal nerve, person keeps on speaking, but he is not able to sing whole life. He uses high pitch voice. Okay? So this muscle responsible for pitch of the voice. Timbre. Some folks use the word timbre of the voice. Muscle number 6, thyroarytenoid. Thyroarytenoid. Name suggests thyroid to arytenoid. Thyroarytenoid. So what will it do? Relaxes the vocal cord. Thyroarytenoid, what will it do? Relaxes the vocal cord. तो डायग्राम निकाल अलग thyroarytenoid, separate diagram. So it runs like this, from thyroid to arytenoid, like this, thyroid to arytenoid, thyroarytenoid. Okay, relaxes the vocal cord. 6. Epiglotticus. Epiglotticus. So I already told you that these are the two arytenoids. Oblique arytenoids are like this, and they continue forward up to the epiglottis as epiglotticus. Epiglotticus also seen nicely in this view. Epiglottis, cricoid, arytenoid, epiglotticus. In the epiglottic fold. So theoretically, what it does is tries to pull the epiglottis down. So tries to close the inlet of larynx. You are understanding? There are two things in larynx. One is the vocal cords, which are in between. The whole voice box, vocal cords are in between. Now we are talking about inlet of larynx, मतलब larynx का opening. और inlet के अंदर देखोगे, then there will be vocal cords. So we are talking abduction, adduction, that was like vocal cords. So at two levels, foreign bodies are prevented from going inside the lungs. One is inlet, by which this inlet closes. So sometimes it may still escape and come here. And then here, there are vocal cords, vestibular folds. Vestibular folds are also covered. Many the vocal cords, the two vocal cords running like this. So they also contract. So sometimes it happens that the water, when you are breathing, it goes inside the inlet and then the vocal cords close. And then what you get is called as tasna. So that is, what is that? Glot. Now the vocal cords are also closing. Everything is closing. So वो चक्कर में क्या हो रहा है? लंग्स बोले भाई पानी आ रहा है, कौन अरे पर सांस भी लेने का ना मेरे को हवा तो आने से भाई. So larynx, one of the main functions is acts as a sphincter at the upper end. Phonation comes next. Otherwise, you would have died in absence of larynx. Larynx is very important for preventing food or water from going inside. Any epiglotticus closes the inlet. Closes the inlet of larynx. Very epiglotticus. 8. Hyloepiglotticus. Hyloepiglotticus opens. CA is the attached. Hyloepiglotticus. This is very epiglotticus. This is hyloepiglotticus. So वो epiglottis को ऐसे कर रहा है तो inlet is opening. This is the inlet. Opens the inlet. What opens the inlet? Hyloepiglotticus. What closes the inlet? Aryepiglotticus. What adducts the vocal cord? Posterior precordial. What adducts? Transverse, oblique, lateral precordial. What tenses the vocal cord? Precordial. What relaxes the vocal cord? Hyloepiglotticus. Hyloarytma. Hyloarytma. Now the last muscle. अभी तक तो सब ठीक था. The last muscle, now understand this. This is the cartilaginous part of the vocal cord and this is the membranous part. In a transverse section, I have drawn a transverse section. And there is muscle called as vocalis. This is attached to muscle number vocalis. So when it contracts, it tenses the anterior part and relaxes posterior part of the vocal cord. Tenses the anterior part, relaxes the posterior part of the vocal cord. Okay? Vocalis. What is the name of the muscle? Positions of the vocal cord, just understand normal breathing. So there are two parts. This is the transverse section I am drawing. The cartilaginous part during the normal breathing is quadrangular and membranous part is triangular. Membranous part is triangular. This is what normal breathing. Normal breathing मतलब आप मुंबई आए सेंटर से मुंबई सेंटर से फिर सडनली आप घड़ी देखो यू स्टार्ट रनिंग. तो मेरे जैसे लोगों ने आपको बोला कि लिफ्ट यूज करने का नहीं ना. हमारे मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स नहीं करते, आप लोग करते. लिफ्ट नहीं होती, फिर हम स्टेज देखो फिर उधर आप पहुंचते लिफ्ट 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 लोग नहीं करते. देखो go up the staircase. And then what happens is heavy breathing. So in heavy breathing, what happens? Heavy breathing, what happens? 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 it becomes diamond shape. Posterior part, cartilaginous part also triangular, anterior part also triangular. So this is normal breathing, this is heavy breathing. मतलब पांचवें माले पे पहुंचते पहुंचते किसी ने किया है स्टेयरकेस यूज? थैंक यू. पांचवें माले then you come inside, you sit, and then anterior part closed, posterior part triangular, whispering. Whispering. And normal speech is like this. The entire larynx is like, that's how sound can be produced, right? The larynx, while whistling is happening, when I reduce the inlet of my mouth, oral cavity, there is whistling. So larynx also for voice production it has to. So therefore excess talking, then we get laryngitis. आप लोग जाते इधर पिकनिक पे लोनावला बस बुक करके फिर अंताक्षरी चालू हम तो तेरे हाँ चाहे तो वैसा कभी दूसरे आते उधर एकदम एड्रेनालिन में चालू उधर वोकल laryngitis. Then excess speaking, teachers and all things. Then like your vocal notes. और जो लोग वॉइस क्लियर करते हैं उनको लगता है कि बात करते करते वॉइस क्लियर ना रहे तो देर दे डू लाइक दिस. So that type of vocal cord is that is not advised. That is not advised. So you should swallow. इसके what happens is salivation, swallowing, soothing of the throat. Okay, 4 positions of the vocal cord. We come to the nerve supply of the larynx. There are some extrinsic muscles also, like suppose this is the thyroid cartilage. There is oblique line of the thyroid cartilage. There are some muscles. See, there are some muscles which start from the sternum, go to hyoid. Sternohyoid. बॉम्बे से निकले पूना चले गए. मैंने कुछ लोग तो पेड़ जैसे वगैरह के मस्ती करते हैं. लोनावाला में पीछे हैं तो लोनावाला फिर ब्रेक फिर आगे पूना. तो स्टर्नो थायराइड थायरो ये उनका जर्नी ऐसा है. ओके, दिस इज स्टर्नोहायोइड, दिस इज स्टर्नोथायराइड थायराइड. All these muscles. Now this muscle will pull the thyroid down. Okay, this muscle also will pull the hyoid down. Hyoid, there is thyroid membrane. So once hyoid is pulled down, thyroid is also. Then there are muscles like digastric which pull the hyoid up. So they pull the thyroid also, cartilage and the whole larynx. These are extrinsic muscles. Okay. Now supply of the larynx. All the muscles of the larynx are supplied by recurrent laryngeal nerve. Recurrent laryngeal nerve, except cricothyroid, which is supplied by external laryngeal nerve. Except cricothyroid, which is supplied by external laryngeal nerve. All muscles are supplied by recurrent laryngeal nerve, except which is supplied by external laryngeal nerve. Then I draw this diagram. Again, I am drawing thyroid, epiglottis, cricoid, arytenoid, right? Sinus, cerebral. So up to the vocal cords, the nerve supply is by internal laryngeal nerve. Below that is by recurrent laryngeal nerve. Sensory. I spoke about the motor. All muscles are supplied by recurrent laryngeal except infrathyroid, which is by external laryngeal. Now I am talking about sensory. Up to the vocal cords by internal laryngeal nerve. Below the vocal cords by recurrent laryngeal nerve. Sensory. So internal laryngeal nerve also damaged. There is anesthesia of the larynx. So again, water can go inside. Foreign body can go inside the. Okay. Applied anatomy, laryngoscopy. In the OPD they do catch the tongue, put a mirror. Direct laryngoscopy they do in the operation theatre. Pull the tongue down, look inside the larynx. Direct larynx. Literally ऐसा करते हैं. Direct, indirect. Inflammation of the larynx is laryngitis. There are departments in Bombay Hospital. There is separate department. E separate, N separate, T separate, throat. So then in throat there are laryngologists. In laryngologists there are phonologists. If you are not happy with your voice, go to them. They will inject Botox. Alter the voice. Male to female sex change operation. They will change the voice of the male. Or some lady talking like this. They go and suddenly uska आवाज suddenly Amitabh Bachchan. So they can actually change the voice. They are called as phonologists. I was not aware of this. Super specialized. मतलब हमने आजकल सुना था कि ENT सर्जन उसमें ENT सेपरेट, T में लैरिंगोलॉजिस्ट में फोनोलॉजिस्ट. अच्छा सेक्स एंड ऑपरेशन प्लीज वेटिंग फॉर दैट. So they will change the voice. You are not happy with your voice, go to phonologist. Okay. So that's all about larynx. And now the last part, the lecture is already over. So these are the two arachnoids. Yeah. These are what process? Vocal. What are these processes? Muscular process. So when the posterior arachnoid contracts, abduction. Lateral arachnoid, then the transverse. Oblique also, same action. Okay? What happens when the cricothyroid contracts? Thyroid and thyroarachnoid? Okay, thank you. Now everybody stand up.